Oxygen, an element with the symbol O and an atomic number of 8. It is the third most abundant element in the world, with 21% in the atmosphere. But why is it important? Oxygen helps organisms grow, reproduce, and turn food into energy. Humans get the oxygen they need by breathing through their nose and mouth into their lungs. Oxygen gives our cells the ability to break down food in order to get their energy we need to survive. But currently, atmospheric oxygen levels are slowly decreasing due to burning of fossil fuels, which consumes oxygen, and deforestation, which reduces oxygen production. In aquatic environments, decreased water levels can decrease species populations and alter ecosystems. Depletion of oxygen can have serious consequences for living organisms and the environment. In humans, lack of oxygen can lead to hypoxia, which can cause damage to the brain and other organs, and in severe cases can be fatal. In aquatic ecosystems, low oxygen levels can harm or kill fish and other aquatic life and lead to the growth of harmful algal blooms. In terrestrial ecosystems, low oxygen levels can lead to changes in plant and animal populations and can also contribute to soil erosion and other environmental problems. Overall, depletion of oxygen can have wide-ranging and far-reaching effects on the health and well-being of both humans, animals, and the environment. But we aren't doomed yet. According to researchers, oxygen will maintain high levels of oxygen for the next billion years. But that doesn't mean that because we have a very long time left before that happens, we can sit back and relax as we watch that slowly happen. We should prevent oxygen depletion now, so the next generation and generations to come can live a wonderful life. So how will we do it? There are several ways to protect the oxygen on Earth. One way is through conservation of forests and other natural habitats that produce oxygen. Forests are home to a wide variety of plants and trees that produce oxygen, but we should not only conserve the existing forests, we should reforest the dead ones so there will be more plants to produce oxygen. Another way to protect oxygen is through reducing pollution. Pollution from cars, harmful chemicals into the air that can damage the ozone layer and reduce the amount of oxygen in the atmosphere. By reducing pollution, we can help to preserve the amount of oxygen available for all living organisms. Oxygen is very important to our survival. Without it, we cannot live for even 5 seconds. Oxygen provides energy, food, life, and protection that all of us need. And now that we know that oxygen is slowly depleting, we should not only stand by and watch when we can do something to stop this disaster. We should stop our pollution and carbon emissions. We should reforest so that we have more trees and plants to reproduce oxygen that we are slowly losing. We should do our best to protect oxygen because
O2 matters too.